Welcome to Listen Up, the podcast where we dive into the world of English listening practice. I'm your host, Karen, and we explore new topics every day to help you sharpen your English skills. Whether you're looking to polish your fluency or intermediate and want to learn new vocabulary, this podcast is your gateway to understanding and speaking English with confidence. We cover a wide range of subjects to keep you engaged and entertained while learning. My episodes are designed to provide practical knowledge that you can apply in real-life conversations. And I also offer personalized lessons tailored to your unique learning style and goals. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your English listening skills. Visit onepawinthesand.com/ESL to sign up for personalized lessons. Let's jump right in. Today's episode is called The Air Fryer Revolution. The air fryer has swiftly become a favorite appliance in kitchens around the globe, renowned for its ability to create crispy, delicious food with minimal oil. This innovative device offers a healthier alternative to traditional frying methods, allowing home cooks to enjoy their favorite fried food without the guilt. From French fries to chicken wings to vegetables and desserts, the air fryer can handle a wide range of recipes with ease and efficiency. So how does an air fryer work? An air fryer cooks food by circulating hot air around it, much like a convection oven. This rapid air circulation creates a crispy layer on the outside while keeping the inside tender and moist. The high-speed fan and heating element work together to cook food quickly and evenly, often requiring little to no added oil. Most air fryers come with a basket or tray to hold the food, allowing excess fat to drip away during cooking. So what are the benefits of using an air fryer? Healthier cooking. Air frying requires significantly less oil than deep frying, reducing fat and calorie intake. Speed. Air fryers cook food faster than conventional ovens, making them ideal for quick meals. Versatility. Capable of frying, baking, grilling, and roasting, an air fryer can be used for a variety of recipes. Convenience. Easy to use with preset cooking functions and simple cleanup thanks to a non-stick surface. Crispy texture. It achieves a crispy golden brown exterior on foods without the need for excessive oil. Air fryers excel at making crispy chicken wings, a popular dish perfect for parties, game days, or a simple dinner. Here's a quick and easy recipe for you to try. Ingredients: 2 pounds or 900 grams of chicken wings, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and your favorite wing sauce, buffalo barbecue ranch. Instructions: prepare the chicken wings. Pat the chicken wings dry with paper towels to ensure they get crispy. Season in a large bowl. Toss the wings with olive oil, salt, pepper, garlic powder, and paprika until they are evenly coated. Preheat your air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius, which will take about 5 minutes. Place the wings in the air fryer basket in a single layer. You may need to cook them in batches depending on the size of your air fryer. Cook for 20 to 25 minutes, shaking the basket halfway through to ensure even cooking. Wings are done when they are golden brown and crispy. If you are using a sauce, toss the cooked wings in your favorite wing sauce before serving. Serve the wings hot with celery sticks and blue cheese or ranch dressing on the side. Tips for air frying success. Arrange your food in a single layer without overcrowding. to ensure the even cooking and crispiness. Periodically shake the basket or flip the food to ensure even cooking and browning. Different air fryers may have varying power levels, so adjust cooking times as needed based on your appliance. Preheating the air fryer can help achieve a crispier texture more quickly. The air fryer is a versatile and health-conscious addition to any kitchen. By reducing the need for oil and speeding up cooking times, it allows you to enjoy your favorite fried food in a healthier way. Whether you're making a quick snack or preparing a full meal, the air fryer can deliver delicious results with minimal effort. Give the above chicken wing recipe a try and discover the convenience and flavor of air frying for yourself. And that wraps up today's enriching journey with Listen Up English Listening Practice. It's been a pleasure guiding you through the nuances of English, and I hope you found our time together both educational and enjoyable. Remember, every episode is a step forward in your English mastery, so keep practicing and stay curious. Share with your friends and leave a comment. Be part of our growing family by connecting with fellow learners on our social platforms. Join me on my website to interact with other learners and let me know what other topics you would like to hear about. And if you're looking for a more personalized touch, head over to onepawinthesand.com/ESL to sign up for bespoke lessons with me, Karen. Thank you for choosing to learn with me. Until our next session, keep your ears open and your mind active. Farewell and happy English learning.